our project, we were tasked with creating a rubber band stretcher for Opportunity Enterprises. The goal of this was to design a system that would be more ergonomic for their operators to use. They provide people with limited abilities meaningful work, and one of their processes is looping a shoestring material of twill for a tracheotomy kit, which goes around their neck and secures a tube to the back to their neck for the tracheotomy. And what we came up with was a system that is electronic. It runs a linear actuator through a microcontroller through the push of a button, and it opens and closes a set of pins that stretches a rubber band, and then they can put in the folded material and scoop it out, creating a unit. And then this system will also track production times and production numbers. As these customers are paid per unit that they make, this will make their lives much easier at the end of the day and not have to count it manually anymore.
Band part. Now these little blue bands are what hold it together. They come in long tubes. We have to sit and hand cut them into these tiny little strips.
So the device will stop automatically?
Automatically, right.
Okay.
Then they have to pull this part off, fold it in half, and then take one of these little tubes, and you have to wear gloves for this, stretch it across their fingers.
Okay. So you need...
Alright, so I just turned on our system, and we got this system indicator status light. It was flashing blue, saying it was connecting to Wi-Fi. Then it said the solid blue, which means it was making the connection. That flashing green was telling us we are ready. And this unit indicator light turning off means we are ready to start our production. So I'm going to take this assembly band, place it around the pins that we have fabricated. And then I will be pressing this green button to open up.
A few inches later.
With our linear actuator. And now I'll take the twill that the clients will be wrapping and cutting, pull, create one entire unit, and then I shall close the pins. And this would mean we're ready to start another unit. But say something goes wrong in the middle of production, I can press this emergency stop button, which will let us go into a manual control with this rocker switch where we can open or close the pins. And then I twist this emergency stop button back to reset it so that we can go back to producing units with our microcontroller. And that is all.